Hey guys, today we're going to have a look at Raven and see why she's making that awful noise. So as most of you know, Raven's got a full Borla exhaust system, and when I took her out a couple of Mondays ago racing, she started making a really bad noise. After further inspection we found out that the exhaust from behind the cat had come off, so I managed to have a chance today to get her on the ramp and we can actually have a look and try and get it all put back together again. So now we've got her on the ramp, we can actually see that that's come off, and that's come off. So no wonder she's making an awful noise. So we're going to undo the clamps, get her all sealed back up again, and then hopefully we should be working. So on closer inspection, if we actually look at this clamp, I think it may have been hit by something, because I don't know if you can see, but that's actually bent that way. So it might have hit something and that's what's knocked everything off. So I'm going to see if I've got any spare exhaust clamps and we'll get it replaced. So actually looking at the exhaust now, something doesn't seem quite right with this. I'm going to take this off and have a better look at that. It just seems very misshapen for whatever reason. So I'm going to take it off and have a quick look. So just for comparison, this is the driver's side S-bend exhaust pipe from the back of the cat. This also come off, but this looks fine, no problem at all. But the other side, as I thought I could see one underneath, it's all misshapen around here. Well, best way to compare it is put it next to each other. Unfortunately, these are from Borla, which can take quite a while to come into the UK, so I'm going to try and go to a local exhaust shop and see if he can just knock me up another one of these S-bends to fit. So let's have a look on the Google. I'm going to have a look to see if I've got any spares in any of this kit. Hey up mate, I'm after a 3-inch bespoke exhaust making, if you can help. You fully booked for 4 weeks. You booked up till middle of September. Hey mate, will you be able to help me? I'm after a 3-inch exhaust pipe making, a bespoke one. There's a 3-week waiting list. Hi there mate, I was wondering if you'd be able to help me. I've got an exhaust that's been damaged, the S-bend. It's been, I think, a bit of speed bump or something, and it's bent it a bit. Would you be able to make another one up, a bespoke one?
Yes, we certainly can. However, at the moment,
Right. Oh, perfect. Can I come and see you today? Mate, that would be absolutely amazing. Cheers mate, thank you, bye-bye. So I've just got off the phone to this really friendly guy. I think the company's called Torben. I'll get all the details and put in the description below. Very helpful. They've managed to try and fit me in to try and get a piece cut for me. They've just told me they're about 4 weeks at the minute behind. So obviously with the USC being this weekend, I need it doing ASAP. So we're going to go down there and see how he can help me out. hot off the press, ready to be fitted. So we've got back to the unit now, and we've managed to get it all sorted. So this is what it should look like. This is what it actually looks like. And this is the new piece that we're going to fit now. So that was an absolute nightmare, just would not fit at all. Being a bespoke piece, it didn't quite fit, so we've done a bit of cutting here and there, and it's managed to go on. Everything's tight, so now we're going to go and have a test drive and see if everything's sealed right. So straight off the bat, sounds much better. I've actually put it in stealth mode to make sure everything's going through and everything seems to sound fine. So we're going to have a couple of runs after the engine's warmed up, make sure everything's running right. So again, we've had the engine lights still coming on. So what I'm just going to quickly show you the P6 gauge, which best thing I bought for this car. So all you do, you go to the gauge, press both buttons at the same time, press and hold, go to configure, go on to clear code, there. Press the left one for press and hold. It goes off. Gauge come back on. All the codes are clear. So there you have it, managed to get it fixed just in time really for the USC show. So I hope you liked the video, like, subscribe, comment down below, the usual stuff, and I'll see you all in the USC show this weekend.